AI is the biggest money-making opportunity in 2026, but most people will never take advantage of it. Not because it's hard, but because they don't understand how to use it the right way. In this video, I'll show you 5 real ways to make money using AI, even if you're a complete beginner. And if you watch till the end, you'll also discover how to start learning AI step by step. AI is changing everything. Tasks in coding, marketing, finance, and even sales are being automated. That means if you only have basic skills, AI can replace you. So if you want to make money in 2026, you need to be smarter. You need to have 3 mindset shifts. The first one, think in workflows. Don't think small tasks, think systems. Second one is context matters more than prompts. The better your input, the better your result. Third one is you are still early. Most people are not using AI properly yet. That means opportunity is huge. One way to make money is by acquiring customers from competitors using AI. You can build a system that scans and reviews platforms like Trustpilot to identify negative reviews of competitors. These dissatisfied customers are potential leads. You then find their contact details using tools like Apollo, reach out with automated emails, and offer a solution. This method can generate high conversion rates and significant revenue, especially when scaled across multiple clients. Because these people already want a solution. This can make thousands per client. Start by finding their LinkedIn profiles. Then use Apollo to track down their email addresses. Once you have that, send a simple automated message like, "Hey, we noticed you left a 1-star review for this product on Trustpilot and weren't happy with it. We've actually solved that exact issue and happy to walk you through it in a quick 5-minute call." Someone tested this exact approach. He found hundreds of negative reviews, matched more than half of those users to LinkedIn profiles, and reached out via email. The results? An 11% reply rate, 20-plus responses, booked calls, and 8 new clients closed, each worth around $4,000. That's over $35,000 generated. Now imagine charging just 10 to 15% commission per client. You're easily walking away with $3,000 to $5,000 from a single, automated workflow. The best part? Once you build this system for one company, you can replicate it across multiple clients and scale it fast. You are targeting frustrated customers who are actively looking for alternatives, making them far easier to convert. Here's the workflow. Use AI tools like Claude to analyze competitors and surface negative feedback. Identify users behind those reviews and locate their LinkedIn profiles. Use Apollo to pull verified email addresses. Launch outreach campaigns via Instantly. Book calls automatically through Calendly. Young people are already using AI tools to solve problems. However, many still use AI like a simple search tool, overlooking what it can truly do. If you want to genuinely use AI to generate value and stay competitive, these 3 courses are worth exploring. AI for Everyone by Andrew Aninang. The course is deeplearning.ai, an ideal entry point for beginners, no programming needed. Just understand how to transform ideas into AI-driven solutions. Second course is Generative AI Engineering by IBM, practical and hands-on. You'll create real AI applications using tools like GPT and Llama while learning Python, machine learning, and prompt design. Third one is Prompt Engineering course by Vanderbilt University. Learn how to craft powerful prompts for tools like ChatGPT. Useful for professional work, business tasks, or personal use. All of these are available on Coursera. They're built to help you develop high-demand AI skills and remain relevant in today's evolving landscape. Links are in the description. Let's continue. Second way to make money is by recording your voice through 11 Labs and getting paid whenever it's used. So what exactly is 11 Labs? It's a powerful AI voice platform where users can access a wide range of voices, tones, and languages to bring their scripts to life. Some people use it for telling stories, others for audiobooks, and many for different types of voice-based projects. Whatever the need, they rely on the platform to generate audio from text. Where do you fit into this? You simply create and upload your own AI voice to the platform. Once it's available, it becomes something like your personal voice model. Let's say Dave's voice that others can use for their content. Every time someone uses your voice, 11 Labs pays you a share of their subscription revenue. People earn between $50 to $250 easily. The best part is that you only need to set up your voice once. And after that, it can continue generating income for you. Of course, having a distinctive or appealing voice can make a big difference. Third way to make money with AI is by positioning yourself as an AI consultant. Many businesses today want to implement AI agents and automated workflows, but have no clear idea where to begin. That's where you come in by creating content around AI agents, showcasing how companies are improving productivity with AI, and sharing insights about the future of AI. Alongside this, you keep a simple booking link, like TopMate or Calendly, so interested clients can schedule a call with you. Once they reach out, your role is to guide them and show how you can automate their processes and systems. A simple way to get started is by offering training sessions for their employees, helping them understand and use the latest AI tools. This includes tools like Claude, Replit, and Make.com. After their team is trained, you can take it further by building customized AI systems and workflows for their business. Companies are often willing to pay anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000 for a single training session. On top of that, you can charge additional for setting up AI agents and workflows, and even earn recurring income by managing and maintaining these systems monthly. There is no doubt that this path requires strong knowledge of AI. Consistent content creation, enough visibility for clients to find you, and the ability to clearly communicate and teach others. But if you can develop these skills, you can stand out in this space and potentially build a very high-income career. Fourth way to earn is if you don't have much experience or advanced skills, but still want to earn using AI. One of the simplest approaches is to work with content creators or startup founders. You can help them by writing LinkedIn posts or designing thumbnails and visuals for their social media. The idea is to study examples of the kind of content style they prefer. Then upload those samples into a system or project that can learn from them. This allows the AI to understand the structure, tone, and voice, so you can consistently produce LinkedIn posts, reel scripts, and other content in the same style. For design work, tools like Nano Banana Pro can generate high-quality thumbnails, carousels, and infographics within minutes. The key is how well you write and refine your prompts to match the desired output. There's also a detailed guide in the video description that can help you get started with Nano Banana Pro right away. In terms of pricing, you can easily charge around a handsome amount for managing content writing tasks for a client. Additionally, you can charge about some more for thumbnail, infographic, or carousel. By working with just a few creators over a month, it's quite realistic to earn between $1,000 to $3,000 through this approach. The fifth and final way to make money with AI is by targeting local businesses and building websites that you can later sell to them. Start by identifying nearby businesses like retail shops, dental clinics, pet stores, electronics outlets, real estate agencies, or interior design firms. Once you find them, check whether they already have a website. If they don't, they're missing out on a major opportunity. Because having a website builds credibility and improves visibility on search engines like Google. You can then use tools like Lovable or Replit to create a website for them. Start with a simple prompt, refine it using tools like ChatGPT or Claude, and generate a clean, professional-looking website. Once the site is ready, reach out to the business owner and show them what you've built. You can pitch it by saying you've already created a website for their business and offer to sell it to them. On top of that, you can propose a monthly maintenance service too, charging extra to manage updates and content. If the website looks good and adds value, many business owners will be open to paying for it. So, these are the 5 easiest ways to make money with AI in 2026. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section. Check out the links of the courses I've mentioned in the description as well on Coursera. And I'll see you all in the next video.